she is. Hello, Abby. Hello, Miss Abby. There's Miss Abigail. Yes, there's Miss Abigail. She says, well, okay, here I am. Yeah. They love being down on the carpet. Come on, sweetheart. There you are. Hey, sweeties. Let's show off your face. Let's show off your pretty face here. Say, hi, world. Hi, world. Get you around here where you can see you. There. There you go. That's Miss Abigail. She's got such a dark face, it's hard to see her eyes. Let's see if that helps any. There's a Miss Abigail. She has a white tummy. And here's her markings. Got a beautiful tail set. She's such a sweetheart, aren't you? Yes, there is. Nice flat face. There you go.